You know, Leon and I
Got tagged.
He's afraid of the Clorox mop.
James, sit over there. Don't sit over there. Your mom's gonna flip out.
Get off my white chair with that food. You know better. Now. Here it comes. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you.
Broadening my horizons. Or should I say horizon my broads? It's the season premiere of Glee. With new relationships.
Whisk!
Jesse McCartney joins the all-new season of Glee. Monday, March 30th. On the ABC Family. Critics everywhere are falling in love with Monster.
Sorry, all my makeup is right there. Come on, Whiskey! Why are you sitting by Jake? Come on. Jake?
Sorry, Mom. He's just a hugger.
Whiskey little.
Haha, you can't get in here.
You chicken.